Box cutters cut ya. $1.50, true hip-hop lovers, come on, fuck with me, y'all stuck with me. Cause the game done went sour with all these lanes in power. Till I drop box cutters on top of the gutter, iron rain showers. Flood the airwaves, knock down your barricades with my hot sound marinade. Got more flavor than curry, I deliver war razors and flurries. My war nature will bury the cockroach. These feminine niggas will rock a brooch, they will rock a coach. R.I.P. Lil Papa Smoke, we're the real niggas. Cause all I see is drill niggas acting like house niggas. We the real in the field niggas. Me and 730 keep our weapons dirty. This for my Philly niggas, New Yiddy niggas, and all my niggas that's reppin' Jersey. This a East Coast thing, this is for the block huggers. My box cutter is releasing in the East Wing. We yelling peace, king. 3-time felons in the street swing. That boop, boop, that's the sound of the police thing. That's the sound of the police thing.
On the face cut, 90 cassette took us walk in death look. Army fatigue, 40 below, crack rock stash, the bottom of the corner pole. 93 plug ain't that at all. OG Mac, East Side Beach, low life, booth and rob, corporation, Soho. Group of niggas get eat and flee. PS3 ground full of crack valves, stick up kids, product, flamboyant pussy niggas, they get back down. 10 years big, then he maxed out. Martel, Joe Cell, Bumpy, own Monroe, own Madison. Up north, niggas took over the territory in the south, then they started traveling. Cousin BB tax niggas extortion through the whole Fort Wayne. And moved his own work tax-free, pack heat, and put a nigga make him face defeat like athletes.
Well, my friend, it seems you've lost your sword.